I'm Sarah Hashim-Waris in the Los Angeles Times newsroom. At least 17 people across the central and southern U.S. are dead from destructive tornadoes that ripped through the region. Officials said 16 of the victims were in Arkansas, with 10 of those from Faulkner County. Smaller tornadoes were reported in Oklahoma, Nebraska, Illinois, Missouri, and Mississippi. Kansas Governor Sam Brownback issued a disaster declaration today. Officials said the Arkansas twister crossed Interstate 40 while drivers were on the road. Search efforts in the state ramped up overnight amid extensive damage to homes and businesses. Governor Mike Beebe said the storm was one of the worst to hit the state in recent history. For more, visit LAtimes.com and at LATimes on Twitter for the latest updates.